How to check fee register. Today we will discuss about fee register in ZamaSchool, how you can view fee register, what are the benefits of fee register and other details. First of all, go to the fee module, then click on the fee register. Here we have two options, category wise and session wise. For this we need to understand fee register first. Fee register is overall details of your fees. If you want to make calculations that how much payment will you receive in terms of different fees, here you can see the details of all of your fee applied and other details in one report. Like for example, you want to know about the January details, just click on the month and you will see the fee applied for that month with all details. Similarly, you can see exact details for each month. This is category wise report. As you see, the details shows the amount with categories listed. Another report is session wise. Here you can select the category of fee you applied on a class and wants to see its details for the whole session, then it will appear accordingly. Like for example, you want to know about month fee for the class first. Its session wise report from January start of session to the end of session will be generated. Similarly, you can change categories of your choice from one option to many and report will be generated accordingly. This report will show expected income of fees from different categories if you want to make calculations in advance. Hope after this video you can easily use fees register in ZamaSchool software. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you need any help, call us on our registered number in the description.